Welcome again to the Downers Food and Lifestyle channel. So last night I bought some coconuts, but last night I ended up cutting them. So now I'm gonna pretty much prep them for the actual blender. And these are more jelly than coconut. They were in tough shell, but when the coconut is really in sync, it's got on this tough exterior on it, and that's what make you know that it's good for making oil. Because making oil with coconut, you literally boil it. But we're gonna try these and see what they do. Alright, so yeah, just dice these up. I'm gonna make a coconut juice out, juice them into what is called coconut milk. But yeah, living in upstate New York, or living in the far parts of US, you don't get the stuff that you need. Either you get the tin, and the tin coconut doesn't produce the oil that you need when you're cooking, or it doesn't have any flavor. So now I'm trying, I'm going back to old school, but the old school does not give me the coconut that I need, because I can't. It's like I said, this flexing. It's not supposed to be flexing. Coconut not supposed to be flexing like that. Coconut, you have to hold it in your hand and cut it. So this is in a jelly form. So that's why I'm thinking, I'm gonna have to work with what I got for now. But next time I go to buy coconut, I'm gonna break it on the spot. If it ain't what it is, I want it. And I go through coconuts until I find what I need. Okay, so see, this was almost ready. Almost ready to be a coconut. Almost ready, but not fully. The other ones were mere jelly. So jelly don't produce oil, coconut do. See? When it's coconut, you gotta hold it in your hand and make these cuts. You can't slice it like that easy unless, well, I got sharp knives, but this is not one of the sharp knives. So this is just supposed to be going through it like this. The other knife would just glide straight through it. But like I said, again, so we're gonna blend this up. And I feel right now, but that's when I prepare it for the blender, so I can get it going. See how it flex? Not supposed to flex like that. Look. Coconut no flex. jelly alone flex. Meaning when I said jelly, the coconut is not, it's still within a flesh form. This form is in that flesh form that you can literally eat without any issue. And I'm kind of thinking that these are the ones they're juicing and calling coconut milk, which shouldn't be coconut milk. But our next step is gonna be blending this stuff. All right, thanks again for joining Downey's food and lifestyle channel. Follow, comment, and subscribe. Thanks again. Bye.